Just a quick tip on how to change the nose piece on the Drill Pop Riveter. Obviously, after you have riveted, you want to eject your mandrel. With your drill in reverse, you hear the clicking sound, the mandrel is ejected. And if you now try to remove your nose piece, there is tension on the nose piece from the rivet chamber. So just put your drill in forward motion, give it a couple of turns until the rivet chamber comes back. That will release the pressure on your nose piece. Untie the nose piece. Take a new nose piece. There's no tension on this nose piece now. Tighten it. Put your drill in reverse until you hear the clicking sound, and you are ready to rivet again. Rivet in, drill in forward motion, and that is an easy way to remove the nose piece without any tension.